Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. In this video, you will be seeing Alabama Gulf Coast Railway, BNSF, and I think that's about it. Tonight was special because AGR 211 would have a Dash 9 Duo. That's not the special part, but the second locomotive, number 4423, is the AGR's Veterans Unit. So we caught it here at Acker Road, waiting for it to go to Amory to go back south to watch it lead. On the way to the next picture spot, might as well watch it roll past. So here it is on Cotton Gin Point Road in Amory, Mississippi. After this, we drive on over to the more industrial side of Amory. I don't know, it's where all the auto dealers are. This is on Highway 278, where we see the overpass of the BNSF rail yard. In the meantime, a coal train gets blocked, so here's the DPU. I would say it's probably around 2 a.m. at this point. We move over to Cotton Gin Port again to watch the train pass by the power bank. I don't know what those are called. Watch the video. If you noticed, the crew wasn't blinded in this video, at least on the return trip. So I had to go back over to Acker Road so I can finally get a picture of this locomotive leading. Yeah, I know. The next day, I was told that BNSF MEM AMO has a Norfolk Southern C6 simulating. So we go on over back to Amory, Mississippi to where the trestle crosses over the Tom Bigby Waterway. I could hear behind me that there was a couple EMDs working the Watco port behind me, so this is what you see here. Last night before the big trip, video's coming soon, and we take our friend that's not really from around here to go see AGR. So we go to Lackey, Mississippi. It is.
Kind of. Oh no.
Going back to Amory, we are on Parchman Road. This is where the South Amory crossover is. This is where the Amory sub goes into BNSF's Amory yard. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I stated that we were going on a trip after this, so there is a lot of videos coming and a lot of cool trains. Thank you for watching. See you next time.